In this tutorial, we are going to explore the basics of file handling in Python. Specifically, we'll learn how to write text to a file using the W mode. Let's start by discussing what W mode is. In Python, when we open a file, we specify a mode. The W mode stands for write. When a file is opened in W mode, we can write data into the file. But here's an important thing to remember: if the file already has some data, opening it in W mode will erase all that data and let you start fresh. Now, let's write some Python code to demonstrate this. In the code above, we first open a file named test.txt in W mode. If the file doesn't exist, Python will create it for us. Then we write the string hello, world, to the file. Finally, we close the file. Always remember to close the file after you are done with it. Now let's run this code and check the contents of the test.txt file. The console doesn't show anything because we've not printed anything. However, a new file named test.txt should be created in the same directory where this script is located. If you open the file, you should see the text hello, world. Remember, if you write to the file again using W mode, the existing content hello, world, will be replaced by the new content. If you want to append to the file, you should use a mode, which stands for append. But that's a topic for another tutorial. So, that's how you write to a file in Python using the W mode. We hope you found this tutorial useful. Remember, practice is key when it comes to programming, so try to write to different files and see how it works. Happy coding!